Or no, we're going to Young Spirit first. Young Spirit first. Young Spirit, Intertribal #1, Jake. Sing it loud, sing it proud, sing it good from the hood.
All right, once again, they're dancers in a tribal time. We got old Skyaki sick in the house. Young Spirit, they got my boys stuck, bring them down. Calling all dancers to the arena floor. No matter what tribe, no matter what nationality, come down and dance with us. Beat the Wexamuk, beat the Wexamuk. Thank you very much to that first Intertribal. We're going to go on down the line right here to War Scout very shortly as they welcome dancers from all over. Real quick, we need some judges to stand by. Charissa Trim of Arizona, Faith Bouquet of Manitoba, Valerie Bullhead from North Dakota, Shannon Gustafson from Ontario, Dorothy Gray of Virginia, Mary Olson of Oklahoma, Jade Lewis of British Columbia, Brenda Silva of North Carolina, Kale Oldelk, Montana, Bird Husky, Saskatchewan, Sixica Scabby Robe of Washington, Darlene Pacheco of New Mexico, and Matthew Shika Jr. of Montana. Stand by, judges.
We also need Corey Readers, judges. We need JC
We need an arena
Lamar.
director.
Anadarko, Oklahoma. We need Micaiah Denny, Lawson, Utah. Xavier Tohei, Anadarko, Oklahoma. Dee Rose Pacheco, Utah. Forrest Gorman, Wyoming. Naomi Sky, Albuquerque. Jakey Sky, Albuquerque. J.R. Oldhorn, Texas. Stormy Perdash, Fort Hall, Idaho. Ronnie Lodgepole, Rocky Boy, Montana. Tara Goodfox, Shawnee, Oklahoma. We also need R.J. Tweeters as an alternate, and Starlet Albee. So come on up here and check in with Corey.
All right, all right. We need Randy Medicine Bear. Randy, come on up here front and center. Randy. Randy. Come on up here in front of the announcer's stand right away. Also, we need the family of Daniel Wawasik, Miss Indian World. Family, come on down in front of the announcer's stand. We're going to go one more Intertribal, and I do believe we may be going into her special. So, scrub dancers, applique, woodland women, and men as well, stand by. Little Soldier Drum Group, stand by. All right, Intertribal number 2, War Scout, are you there, Randy? Randy, magic shoes. Those are my magic shoes. Mama said they'd take me anywhere.
Oh my God, boys, sex down and good. War Scout Intertribal time. Judges, stand by, judges. Thank you very much there, War Scout. All right, there, Intertribal dancers. We're going to clear the arena. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a round of applause right there for all of our dancers out there. Show them some love and good energy. Man, they were jamming. I hope you like a jamming too. We're jamming, 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 we're jamming. I hope you like jamming too. The jamming. Stand by there, dancers. Stand by there, judges. We're going to go right in here very shortly. We named off a few judges. We're looking right here for J.C. Lamar, Anadarko, Oklahoma. Makaya Denny, Lawson, Utah. Xavier Tohei, Anadarko, Oklahoma. D.D. Rose Pacheco, White Mesa. Forrest Gorman, Casper, Wyoming. Naomi Sky, Albuquerque. Jakey Sky, Albuquerque. J.R. Oldhorn, San Antonio, Texas. Stormy Pordash, Fort Hall, Idaho. Ronnie Lodgepole, Rocky Boy. Tara Goodfox, Shawnee, Oklahoma. Starlet, White Oak, Oklahoma. And R.J. Tweeter from Fort Berthold. We're looking for you, please, and thank you.
We also need Teresa Jim, Faith McKay, Verlaine Bullhead, Shannon Gustafson, Dorothy Gray, Mary Olson, Jade Lewis, Brenda Silva, Kaylee Oldout, Bern Hosky, Sixica Scabby Robe, and Darlene Pacheco, and Matthew Shika Jr. You are Irene Oaks' judges. So come on up here and find Irene. Aho!
Just want to make a quick shout out to everyone watching on our live feed right here. Whether you paid to watch, whether you're sitting at home, whether you're watching from a live feed, we want to tell you we love you, we love you, we love you. Everyone is created equal. We wish you were here, but don't worry. You're getting that experience from home. Sending all our love and good energy to all the viewers at home, the ones that couldn't make it to the final year, the last dance of Gathering of Nations. So just want to send my love over there. Want to say hello over there to the 45th District State Assemblyman, Mr. James Ramos of the Yokavia Thumb and San Manuel Band of Mission Indians. Good to see you, Uncle. Good, doing big things. Thank you very much, James Ramos, right on 45th District Assemblyman. Once again, we're going to go right into all of our agenda here. So, judges, we need you out here as well. I want to make a quick shout out to Nathan K. Banda of the Winnebago Band of Mission Indians. Good looking out. Good to see you, Chairman. Welcome to Gathering of Nations. All right, listen up here. We're going to go into the family special on behalf of Dania and the family. If we could call all her relations right away. Judges, stand by right after this very special. We're going into the contest. So, just to inform you all, stand by, judges, right after this special, please and thank you. To all of our very spectators that are here, traveled very long distances just to be here. Maybe you're local, maybe you're not. Well, one thing, you are in the green chili capital of the world. And if you haven't had any Hatch chilies just yet, you don't know what you're missing out on. If you like green Hatch chilies, make some noise. Yeah, that's my kind of stuff. You know, I'm a foodie. I like to eat. Everywhere I go, the first thing I woke up this morning was to go to Blake's, get my chorizo burrito with extra bacon and extra green chili. Old ways like that. As we're going to go on down here very shortly, we're going to turn the mic on over here to our speaker for the family as Ruben's going to take over that. You know, there's something real special about this specific year. This might be, like we say, the last dance, but it's the start of a new journey for our committee, our family members, Derek, Dr. Lita, Melody Matthews, and everyone that put on this very gathering for year after year after year. And this is something special. Believe me when I say this, every moment will be accounted for. Every minute will be on the money because we got a lot for you. And we're going to go to our first special of the weekend. We need a cordless mic, please, and thank you.